Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for a link to my Amazon store where I've compiled some of the very best items available, including some of my own personal recommendations. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. This one was sent to me by likely somebody responding to the community post and sending in, one of the knives that I was looking for. So thank you so much. We'll learn more as soon as we get into the package. Thanks so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. If you'd like to check out my Patreon and get your hands on some of these cool stickers, there is, of course, a link down in the description. Your support would mean the world to me. Let's go ahead and slice into this package here. The scalpel, absolutely still very sharp. It'll be very interesting to sharpen this guy at some point. I'll do a video on that when the time comes. What do we have here? We have a simple white box. Do we have a note of some sort? No. I'm always, you know, have to be careful about making sure that I check for notes and things. Okay, so let me look at the other side of this. This is completely and totally unmarked except for this little tiny thing right here that says MC. So let's just carefully, very carefully slice into this. It's becoming like... the dialogue here is a lot like a Bob Ross painting. Just carefully make an incision. Oh, man. What is the best way to get into this? See, I'm concerned that this is the knife box and not just a box. So I don't want to I don't want to damage the box, right? Because people keep this stuff. So we're just all together. We're going to do this together, guys. We're going to make little cuts and make sure, you know, that this is all done correctly. Okay, real quick, I'm making a cut off camera so that I don't cut myself. That's not the type of upload that we want to see. Okay, so here we have, oh, wait a second. Okay, so we've got this, and we've got this, and we have a microfiber cloth. Interesting. What do we have here? Is this from... Now, wait a second. This might actually be from CJRB and Artisan Cutlery. I don't know. But I don't know what's in here. So, one moment. Oh, this is from, I think, what's in here? Let's pull open this one, too. Let's see. I'll know for sure. Yeah, this is actually from Artisan Cutlery. Okay. All right, this is making sense now. Let's turn the exposure up so you guys can see what the heck we're looking at here. So this is... Do we have a model on here? No. They did tell me that they were going to have me check out their slip joints, and I wanted the natural G10. So thank you so much, Artisan Cutlery and CJRB. I know they're the same company, for sending these guys along. Oh, wonderful. Wonderful. I like this one right off the bat. That is awesome. I'm a big fan of Natural G10. I know that... Ooh, this is a Dylan Mallory design. Shout out to Dylan Mallory. 12C27N, everybody. Interesting. That's that Sandvik steel that's made for folding knives. So this is a very compelling little slip joint. Mid-stop, snap. Nice. Let's check out the centering there. Pretty darn close. Yeah, I'd say that's centered for sure. Nice little backspace. Look at the little area for a lanyard if you want to put one back there. Very, very cool. If these are available right now, I promise I will leave a link down in the description. That's a classy little slip joint. Dylan Mallory once again delivering on an excellent design. And then this is the one I was waiting for. Oh my goodness, I am very pleased with this. Oh, guys, this is something special here. This is the Feldspar, I believe. Oh my gosh, I'll be so disappointed in myself if I'm wrong. I have a feeling that I am going to be making some statements about budget knives, you know, in terms of the ones that I consider to be the best here soon again. I took a look at that Feldspar and I thought, boy, that's very compelling. That is very, very interesting. And the fact that they had it in contoured natural G10 and D2 with this blade profile. Yeah, I had to check this out, guys. And like this very moment of first impressions, I am extremely happy with this. Boy, this is really something, guys. I'm sometimes I'm lost for words. But it feels really good to want something to be a certain thing and then to have it in hand and it is that. That's something that becomes more and more and more rare as I continue down, down this path, as I go, this crazy journey of having a YouTube channel and having stuff sent to you and handling so many different things and so many different price ranges, getting an idea of what you consider to be quality as the knife world expands around you. It becomes ever more difficult to get something in hand and have it be what you want it to be. And this is what we have right here, guys. Boy, that's good. That's really, really cool. I am so happy with that. Artisan Cutlery, thank you so much for sending these two. This is awesome. I can't wait to play with these and get my thoughts on them. Guys, that's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing. I hope that you enjoyed this. I hope you were entertained by it. If you were, or if you did, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on this metal complex logo right here and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.